इंतजार करना पड़ा।
Minister in charge of taxation, James P.K. Sangma, today said that after the meetings with multiple stakeholders to understand the impact of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, he will now push for repealing the act. In his statement, Sangma said following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to him that it is in the best interest of the state to completely scrap the act, given that there could be untoward implications. The 2021 Act, which would legalize and regulate gaming in Meghalaya, was also aimed at boosting tourism, revenue generation and employment. However, concerns were expressed by multiple stakeholders with regard to introducing casinos in the state.
Non-governmental organizations, civil society representations, Dorbash Nongs, autonomous and local governance bodies, and youth organizations. During this process, I tried to understand the concerns of the public and the impact that the Act could have further on. Following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to me that it is in the best interest of our state to completely scrap the Act, given that there could be untoward implications.